Crossdressing is the act of wearing clothing, accessories, makeup, hairstyles, or other items that are traditionally associated with the opposite gender. People crossdress for various reasons, such as expressing their identity, exploring their sexuality, having fun, performing art, or fulfilling a fantasy. Crossdressing can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience that allows you to express yourself in different ways. In this video, we will share some tips on how to make your crossdressing sessions more comfortable. We will cover 4 main aspects here that can make your crossdressing sessions more enjoyable and fulfilling. Choose the right clothes and accessories. One of the most important aspects of crossdressing is choosing the right clothes and accessories that match your desired gender expression. You want to wear clothes that fit your body type and style, as well as accessories that complement your outfit. Here are some tips on how to choose the right clothes and accessories for your crossdressing sessions. Measure your body size before buying clothes online or in stores. You can use a tape measure or a size chart to find out your bust, waist, hip, inseam, shoe size, etc. You can also try on clothes in fitting rooms if possible. Choose clothes that flatter your body shape and hide any unwanted features. For example, if you want to look more feminine, you can wear clothes that emphasize your curves, such as dresses, skirts, tops with belts or ruffles, etc. If you want to look more masculine, you can wear clothes that create a straighter silhouette, such as pants, shirts, jackets, etc. Avoid clothes that are too tight, too loose, or too revealing. Clothes that are too tight can cause discomfort, chafing, or sweating. Clothes that are too loose can make you look sloppy or bulky. Clothes that are too revealing can attract unwanted attention or criticism. You can use layers, shapewear, or padding to adjust your fit and appearance. Accessorize your outfit with jewelry, shoes, bags, etc. Accessories can add some flair and personality to your look. You can choose accessories that match your clothes in color, style, or theme. For example, if you are wearing a floral dress, you can wear a necklace with flowers, a pair of sandals, and a straw bag. If you are wearing a suit, you can wear a watch, a pair of loafers, and a briefcase. Apply makeup and hair care products wisely. Another important aspect of crossdressing is applying makeup and hair care products that enhance your facial features and hairstyle. You want to use makeup products that suit your skin tone and features, as well as hair care products that protect your hair or wig. Here are some tips on how to apply makeup and hair care products wisely for your crossdressing sessions. Choose makeup products that suit your skin tone and features. You can use a foundation, concealer, powder, blush, bronzer, highlighter, etc. to create a smooth and even complexion. You can also use eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, false lashes, eyebrow pencil, etc. to define your eyes. You can also use lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, etc. to color your lips. Remove makeup properly and gently. You want to remove your makeup at the end of the day or session to avoid clogging your pores or irritating your skin. You can use a makeup remover, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, etc. to cleanse and hydrate your skin. You can also use cotton pads, wipes, or towels to wipe off your makeup gently. Style your hair or wear a wig that matches your look. You can use a comb, brush, curler, straightener, gel, spray, etc. to style your natural hair or wig according to your preference. You can also use clips, pins, bands, hats, scarves, etc. to accessorize your hair or wig. You can also choose a hair color, length, texture, or cut that suits your face shape and personality. Protect your skin and hair from damage and irritation. You want to avoid using products that are too harsh, expired, or allergic to your skin or hair. You can also use sunscreen, moisturizer, conditioner, mask, etc. to nourish and protect your skin or hair from sun damage, dryness, breakage, or frizz. Practice your voice and body language. Another important aspect of crossdressing is practicing your voice and body language that reflect your desired gender expression. You want to find your feminine or masculine voice and speak confidently, as well as adopt feminine or masculine body language and gestures. Here are some tips on how to practice your voice and body language for your crossdressing sessions. Find your feminine or masculine voice and speak confidently. You can use a voice recorder, mirror, or friend to practice speaking in a higher or lower pitch, softer or louder volume, faster or slower speed, etc. You can also use different words, phrases, or expressions that are more feminine or masculine in tone and meaning. You can also practice singing, reading, or conversing in your desired voice to improve your fluency and pronunciation. Use voice exercises and apps to improve your pitch, tone, and accent. You can use various exercises such as humming, singing scales, reading aloud, etc. to train your vocal cords and muscles to produce different sounds and frequencies. You can also use apps such as Voice Analyst, Voice Pitch Analyzer, Eva FTM/MTF, etc. to measure and monitor your voice progress and feedback. You can also use apps such as Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, Babel, etc. Adopt feminine or masculine body language and gestures. You can use a mirror, video, or friend to practice moving your body in a more feminine or masculine way. You can also observe and imitate the body language and gestures of people of your desired gender in real life or media. You can also use books, videos, or courses that teach you how to improve your posture, gait, stance, etc. Walk, sit, stand, and move gracefully and naturally. You can use a balance board, a book, or a pillow to practice walking with a straight spine and a smooth stride. You can also use a chair, a couch, or a bed to practice sitting with your legs crossed or uncrossed, your back straight or relaxed, your arms folded or open, etc. You can also use a wall, a pole, or a door to practice standing with your feet apart or together, your shoulders back or forward, your chest out or in, etc. You can also use music, dance, or yoga to practice moving with grace and fluidity. Find a safe and supportive environment. Here are some tips on how to find a safe and supportive environment for your crossdressing sessions. Create a private space where you can crossdress without interruptions or judgments. You can use your bedroom, bathroom, closet, basement, attic, etc. to create a space where you can crossdress in peace and privacy. You can also use locks, curtains, signs, etc. to prevent anyone from entering or seeing your space without your permission. You can also use lights, music, candles, etc. to create a mood and atmosphere that suits your crossdressing. Find supportive friends, family, or communities who accept and encourage your crossdressing. You can use online platforms such as forums, blogs, social media, chat rooms, etc. to connect with other crossdressers who share your interests and experiences. You can also use offline venues such as clubs, bars, events, parties, etc. to meet and socialize with other crossdressers in person. You can also use apps such as Meetup, Tinder, Bumble, etc. to find and join groups or events that cater to crossdressers or allies. Deal with negative reactions, comments, or harassment from others. You may encounter some people who are ignorant, intolerant, or hostile towards your crossdressing. You can use various strategies such as ignoring, blocking, reporting, confronting, educating, or forgiving to cope with their negativity. Seek professional help if you experience mental or emotional distress from crossdressing. Crossdressing is a wonderful way to express yourself in different ways. It can bring you joy, pleasure, and satisfaction. We wish you all the best in your crossdressing journey.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.